Assalomu alaykum hammaga. Bugun o'sha sizlarga va'da qilganimizdek, iqtirof tashlagan listening testimizni tahlilini ko'rib chiqamiz. Qanday qilib ishlash kerak o'zi, nimalarga e'tibor berish kerak. Demak, boshladik. O'sha birinchi partdan boshlaymiz. Biz hozir audioni qo'yib, o'sha testni boshlab yuboramiz.
Listening paper. The listening paper consists of 6 parts. In each part, you will hear the recording twice. In each part, there will be time for you to look at the questions before you hear the recording. You can write your answers on test booklet. At the end of the test, you have to transfer your answers on the answer sheet. Now, look at part 1. Part 1. You will hear some sentences. You will hear each sentence twice. Choose the correct reply to each sentence, A, B, or C. Mark your answers on the answer sheet.
Speaker 1. May I see your passport and your travel documents? May I see your passport and your travel documents?
Ya'ni bu yerda may I see your passport and travel documents degan savol berilyapti. Xo'p. All right, you can give them to me degan javob. Ya'ni ayda sen uni menga bersang bo'ladi. Demak, bu javob to'g'ri kelmaydi. Bizga mantiqan to'g'ri kelishi kerak. Keyin B javob. Certainly have a look at them. Albatta, ularga qarashing mumkin yoki ularga qara degan javob. They just look nice, doesn't it? Ular ajoyib ko'rinadi, unaqa emasmi deb. Demak, bu yerda savol beryapti. Bizga eng ma'qul variant bu yerda B javob bo'ladi mantiqan, to'g'rimi? Shuning uchun bunga B belgilaymiz. Ikkinchisini eshitib ko'ramiz.
Passport and your travel documents? Speaker 2.
You look lost. Can I offer any assistance?
You look lost. Ya'ni sen yo'qolganga o'xshaysan. Can I offer you any assistance? Yordam bera olamanmi? Bu yerda well, xo'sh, men ham degan javob bor. Bu to'g'ri kelmaydi. B, sure you can. Albatta, sen qila olasan, sen yordam bera olasan. Demak, bizga B javob ko'proq mos keladi. Ko'pchilikda nima muammo bo'ladi? Audioda lost degan so'zni eshitadi va bu yerda ham lost degan so'z borligi uchun, ya'ni bu trap sifatida qo'yilib ketilgan, mana shu trapga tushadi va ko'pchilik o'sha C javobni belgilaydi. Aslida bu xato bo'ladi. Xo'p, uchinchisi.
You look lost. Can I offer any assistance?
Speaker 3.
You've studied French, haven't you?
You studied French, haven't you? degan, demak bizga gap aytyapti. Biz bunga mos javob tanlashimiz kerak. Yes, she has degan javob bizga umuman to'g'ri kelmaydi. Sababi bu yerda you deb savol berganda she deb javob bera olmaymiz. No, I haven't. Yo'q, men o'qimaganman. Maybe she studied hard. Qattiq o'qigan bo'lishi mumkin. Yana bu yerda study degan trap qo'yib ketilyapti. Lekin bu javob o'sha aslida xato. Bizning javobimiz bu yerda B javob bo'ladi. Yo'q, men o'qimaganman degan javob to'g'ri keladi. Xo'p. To'rtinchisi.
You've studied French, haven't you?
Speaker 4.
Well, that's nice, don't you think? Well, that's nice, don't you think?
U ajoyib, shunday emasmi? deb so'rayapti. Shunday deb o'ylamaysanmi? She was so nice degan javob bizga to'g'ri kelmaydi, chunki she deb aytilyapti bu yerda. Bu ham demak nice degan so'z bu yerda trap bo'lib kelyapti. Tuzoqqa tushib qolmasligimiz kerak. Nice to meet you, seni ko'rganimdan xursandman. Bu javob bizga to'g'ri kelmaydi. Shuning uchun A javobni belgilab ketamiz. Xo'p, keyingisi 5-inchisi.
Speaker 5. Sam's been missing these days. Sam's been missing these days.
Sam has been missing these days. To'g'rimi? Ya'ni Sam ko'rinmaydi degan bu yerda gap aytilyapti. O'shanga mos javob berishimiz kerak. I miss it too. Men ham uni sog'indim yoki o'tkazib yubordim. Bu javob to'g'ri kelmaydi. It's deb aytilyapti bu yerda. You can easily miss her. Sen uni osongina sog'inishing mumkin. Sam o'g'il bolani ismi, bu yerda her qiz bolani ismi bo'lganligi uchun bu javoblar to'g'ri kelmaydi. Bu yerda miss degan so'z, bu yerdagi miss degan so'z bu yerda trap sifatida kelyapti. Mana bu miss, ikkita miss ham. Xo'p, savolda borligi uchun buni belgilab qo'yish xato. C javob. What do you know what happened to him? Sen unga nima bo'lganligini bilasanmi? degan o'sha javob mos keladi. Keyingisi.
Speaker 6.
My teacher is a very strict man. My teacher is a very strict man.
My teacher is a very strict man, ya'ni mening o'qituvchim juda ham qattiqqo'l odam. Xo'p. So do him. To'g'ri kelmaydi. Xo'p, so is mine. Nima degani? Meniki ham degani. So is mine. Shuning uchun bizga B javob to'g'ri keladi. Nor is he. Bu inkor bilan kelganda nor is he desak bo'lardi. U yerda is bilan savol berganligi uchun bu yoqdagi do ham to'gri kelmaydi. O'zi grammatik jihatdan ham to'g'ri kelmaydi bu A javob. Shuning uchun bizga B javobni olamiz. B javob to'g'ri bo'ladi. So is mine, meniki ham degan ma'noni beradi. 7-si.
Speaker 7.
Can you handle all of these tasks by yourself? Can you handle all of these tasks by yourself?
Ya'ni can you handle all of these tasks by yourself? Hamma vazifani o'zing bajara olasanmi? deyapti. He bo'lganligi uchun to'g'ri kelmaydi. They can, ular qila oladi bo'lmaydi. I am not sure, mening ishonchim komil emas degan javob bu yerda to'g'ri keladi. Keyingisi.
Speaker 8. Joe has broken his leg. Joe has broken his leg.
Joe has broken his leg. Joe oyog'ini sindirib oldi degan gap kelyapti bu yerda. What's going on? B javobda nima bo'lyapti? Nimalar sodir bo'lyapti bu yerda degan narsa to'g'ri kelmaydi. C excellent, ajoyib. Ya'ni birovni oyog'i sinsa biz ajoyib deb reaksiya bildirmasak kerak. Shuning uchun A javob poor guy, ya'ni bechora yigit degan javob to'g'ri keladi. Shuning uchun A javobni belgilab qo'yishimiz kerak. Xo'p, keyingisiga o'tamiz. Demak, part 2 West Bay Hotel details of the job.
He's broken his leg.
Biz audioni qo'yib qo'ysak ham bo'ladi.
That is the end of part 1. Two, you will hear someone giving a talk. For each question, fill in the missing information in the numbered space. Write one word or a number for each answer. You now have some time to look at questions.
Hop, biz bu yerda o'sha bir marta eshitib javoblarni yozib ketishga harakat qilamiz. Bu yerda nimalar deyotganligini izohlab, shunda biz ozgina vaqtdan ham tejalgan bo'lamiz.
To look at questions.
Hello, West Bay Hotel. Can I help you?
Oh, good morning. I'm ringing about your advertisement in the Evening Gazette.
Is that the one for temporary staff?
That's right.
Yes. I'm afraid the person who's dealing with that isn't in today, but I can give you the main details if you like.
Yes, please. Could you tell me what kind of staff you're looking for?
We're looking for waiters at the moment. There was one post for a cook, but that's already been taken.
Oh, right.
Hop. Vacancies for waiters deyapti. Bitta cook uchun bizga vakansiya bor edi, lekin u уже tugadik, ya'ni cookni ishga olib bo'ldik degan ma'noni beryapti. Bu yerdagi cook bizga trap vazifasini bajarib kelyapti. O'sha cookka ko'pchilik tushib qolishi mumkin. Hop, ikkinchisiga o'tamiz. Qanaqadir shift. Bu shift degani smena deymiz rus tilida, o'zbek tilida qanday bo'ladi? Ya'ni ertalab ishlaydiganlar, kechga ishlaydiganlar, obedga ishlaydiganlar, shunaqa smenalar bo'ladi-ku, o'sha shift, o'sha narsa shift deyiladi ingliz tilida.
Oh, right. What are the hours of work?
There are two different shifts. There is a day shift from 7 to 2 and a late shift from 4 to 11.
And can people choose which one they want to do?
Not normally, because everyone would choose the day shift, I suppose. You alternate from one week to another.
Okay, I'm just writing all this down. What about time off?
You get one day off.
Xo'p, bu yerda two shifts bor. Demak, ikkita shifts bo'ladi. Day shift va late shift bo'ladi deyapti. Demak, tanlash imkoniyati bormi deganda normally tanlash imkoniyati yo'q, chunki hamma day shiftni tanlagan bo'lar edi. Shuning uchun sizda alternate bo'ladi, ya'ni almashib turasiz. Bir kuni kunduzi ishlaysiz, bir kuni kechki ishlaysiz deyapti. Demak, bu yerdagi javob day late shift bo'lsa bitta bo'ladi. Shifts bu ko'plikda berganligi uchun bizda ikkita shift borligini hisobiga two degan javob ko'proq mos kelar ekan. Two shifts bo'ladi ya'ni. Xo'p, keyingisiga o'tsak bo'ladi.
What about time off?
You get one day off, and I think you can negotiate which one you want. It's more or less up to you, but it has to be the same one every week.
Do you know what the rates of pay are?
Yes, I've got them here. You get £5.50 an hour, and that includes a break.
Do I have to go home to eat or?
You don't have to. You can.
Xo'p, demak 550 bo'lyapti. 5 pounds 50p per hour. Demak 1 soatda 5 dollar 50 pence bo'ladi. 5 pounds and 50 pence bo'ladi. And including a break, ya'ni tanaffus bo'ladi. O'sha tanaffus vaqtida ham sizga o'sha pulni berib borishadi bular. Demak, o'shaning uchun including a break deb ketyapti javobi. Break bo'ladi bizga, tanaffus bo'ladi. Xo'p, keyin уже buni biza yozib bo'lganimizcha ikkinchisiga o'tib ketdi adashmasam. Bular aytishyaptiki, lunch uchun uyga borib kelish kerakmi degan o'sha uni aytib ketayotgan edi. Biz bu yerda to'xtatganimiz uchun ozgina chalg'ib qolgan bo'lishimiz mumkin. Davom ettiramiz, balkim yozib keta olamiz. Ozgina orqaroq qaytarsak ham bo'ladi.
An hour, and that includes a break.
Do I have to go home to eat or?
You don't have to. You can get a meal in the hotel if you want to, and there's no charge for it, so you might as well.
Orqaroq qaytarmasak ham bo'lar ekan. Men breakfast yoki dinner deydigan bo'lsa, o'shani yozib olamiz degan edim. Yo'q, bu yerda meal bo'lib ketdi. A meal is provided in the hotel, ya'ni mehmonxonada ovqat beriladi va siz buning uchun qo'shimcha pul to'lashga majbur emasiz, qo'shimcha pul to'lashingiz shart emas, deyapti. Demak, javobi meal bo'ladi. Xo'p, keyingisiga o'tamiz.
Oh, good. Yes, so let's see. I get a 231 pounds a week.
You'd also get tips. Our guests tend to be quite generous.
Is there a uniform? What about clothes?
Yes, I forgot to mention that. You need to wear a white shirt, just a plain one, and dark trousers. You know, not green or anything like that. And we don't supply those.
That's okay, I've got trousers. I just have to buy a couple of shirts. What about anything else? Do I need a waistcoat or anything?
You have to wear a jacket, but the hotel lends you that.
I see. One last thing. I don't know what the starting...
Xo'p, demak, white shirt kiyishingiz kerak, just plain one, ya'ni hech qanaqa chizig'i bo'lishi kerak emas, and dark trousers deb ketyapti. Demak, javobi bu yerda dark bo'ladi, trousers berilgan, bizga dark degan javobni qo'shishimiz kerak edi. Keyingisi, ikkinchisi bu jacket, lekin bu mana supplied deyapti. Supplied bu ta'minlanadi. Bu yerda berilayotgan narsa esa o'sha hotel sizga uni lend qiladi qarzga berib turadi. Ya'ni olib ishlatsangiz bo'ladi hoteldan. Bu ta'minlab beriladi sizga degan ma'noni beryapti. Demak, javoblar dark and jacket. Hop, shu biza keyingisiga o'tsak bo'ladi. Part 3. Part 3da demak, bilamiz bu yerda odatda 4 ta yoki 5 ta speaker bo'ladi. Speaker turli xil vaziyatlarda bo'ladi. O'sha vaziyatlarni biza tanlab bu yerga qo'yishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Hop. Bizdan so'ralayotgan narsa nima? Reason why they choose their job. Ya'ni bu kasbni nega tanladi ular o'zi? Mana shu kasbni nega tanlagan? Mana shuni topishimiz kerak. Demak, men har doim talabalarimga aytaman, listening vaqtida yoki kam topish xohlaydigan yoki ahmoq odam bekor o'tiradi. Qanaqadir bo'sh vaqt berilganda sizga masalan 25 sekundmi, 15-30 sekundmi vaqt berilganda albatta savollarni, ularning variantlarini o'qib chiqish kerak. Bu eng aqlli qaror bo'ladi. Xo'p. Hozir demak bu yerda ozgina vaqt beriladi o'zi, o'tish vaqti, o'sha o'tish vaqtida bu savollarni o'qib olishimiz kerak, lekin biz to'g'ridan-to'g'ri o'sha ikkinchi marta eshitmasa 3-chi partga o'taverganligimiz uchun bir marta hop bu yerda hozir o'qib ko'ramiz biza. Demak, birinchisi it was a childhood dream, yoshlikdagi orzu edi, kim uchundir. Keyingisi teachers had recommended it, ya'ni o'qituvchisi maslahat bergan. Keyingisi a friend had decided to do it, ya'ni bitta do'sti qaror qilgan, o'shanga ko'ra keyin bu ham tanlab ketgan. It offered a secure income, ya'ni daromad, doimiy daromad taklif qilgan. Family tradition, oilaviy an'ana. Emotionally satisfying, ya'ni ruhiy jihatdan bunga qanaqadir qoniqarli bo'lgan, yoqimliroq bo'lgan, yaxshi ish deb tuyulgan. O'shaning uchun bu javob bu ishni tanlagan. Xo'p, endi biz audioni eshitib ko'rib, tanlab ketamiz. Part 3.
3. You will hear people speaking in different situations. Match each speaker, 15 to 18, to the options A to F. There are 2 extra options which you do not need to use. Mark your answers on the answer sheet. You now have some time to look at questions.
Speaker 1.
Well, I have to say, I never really thought about a career until I got to my last year at school. Lots of people here say that they knew exactly what they wanted to do right from a very young age, but I never really had any burning ambitions. In the end, I just sort of drifted into it, because that's what our lot have always done. If I'd chosen something else, like going into business, say, I would have been the first for 4 generations to have gone outside the medical field. I don't think that would have mattered, but it means there are lots of things we can talk about at home.
Now listen again.
Well, I have to say, I never really thought about a career until I got to my last year at school. Lots of people here say that they knew exactly what they wanted to do right from a very young age. I never really had any burning ambitions. In the end, I just sort of drifted into it, because that's what our lot have always done. If I'd chosen something else, like going into business, say, I would have been the first for 4 generations to have gone outside the medical field.
Javob shu yerda, ya'ni agar men boshqa sohaga ketganimda edi, 4-chi avlodni, 4 ta avlodni ichida birinchi bo'lib o'sha boshqa sohaga o'tgan bo'lardim deb aytib ketyapti. Ya'ni bu degani o'z-o'zidan bu family tradition bo'lgan bularga. Bularning 4 ta avlodi, endi bu 5-chisi yo 4-chisi o'sha medical sohada ishlagan. Men ham shuning uchun medical sohada ishga o'tib ketganman degan javobni beryapti. Shuning uchun ijob to'g'ri bo'ladi. Keyingisi.
Think that would have mattered, but it means there are lots of things we can talk about at home.
Speaker 2.
Most of my friends went into teaching, actually. I think they felt it was more academic. And of course, the pay is quite a bit better. But I've never really been bothered about things like that. I think the enjoyment of the job comes first. And I certainly get a lot of good feelings doing this work. We have some difficult cases sometimes, but there's still a lot of laughter here. And the patients can be amazing, especially the kids. I'd recommend it to anyone who likes helping people.
Xo'p, bu aytyaptiki, emotionally satisfyingga sinonim sifatida aytyaptiki, bu judayam yaxshi job. Odamlarga yordam berasan. Yoshlar, o'sha odamlar bilan ishlash judayam ajoyib. Patientlar, ya'ni o'sha kasallar judayam yaxshi odamlar bo'lib chiqishi mumkin. Juda ko'p gaplashasan, kulasan, ayniqsa yoshlar bo'ladi. Yoshlar judayam qiziqarli bo'ladi degan ma'noda gapirib ketyapti. O'shaning uchun it's emotionally satisfying degan javob, F javob ko'proq mos keladi.
Helping people.
Now listen again.
Most of my friends went into teaching, actually. I think they felt it was more academic. Of course, the pay is quite a bit better. But I've never really been bothered about things like that. I think the enjoyment of the job comes first. And I certainly get a lot of good feelings doing this work. We have some difficult cases sometimes, but there's still a lot of laughter here. And the patients can be amazing, especially the kids. I'd recommend it to anyone who likes helping people.
Speaker 3.
I think I'm lucky, really, because I didn't try very hard at school. I guess you'd call me lazy. And then it ended, and I thought, wow, I better think about a job. And I got really worried and emotional about it because, well, I suddenly realised that I didn't want to go from job to job. You know, I wanted a career and regular money and an opportunity to climb up the ladder if possible. So one day I saw a TV programme about nursing, and it looked like it had the kind of benefits I wanted. So here I am.
Hop, javob belgilab olaylik. Menimcha bu D javob. Xo'p, bu yerda men yoshligimda umuman o'ylamaganman qanaqa ish qilishim haqida, lekin o'sha vaqti kelib bu haqida qayg'urishni boshladim. Menga nima kerak edi? Secure income kerak edi. Endi bu yerda aynan secure income demadi. Doimiy maosh kerak edi va mansab pillapoyalaridan oshib boradigan ish xohlagan edim, dedi. Va TV programda ko'rib qoldim. Nursing haqida. Nursing aynan men izlagan javob edi. Shuning uchun bu sohani tanladim deb berib ketyapti.
So here I am.
Now listen again.
I think I'm lucky, really, because I didn't try very hard at school. I guess you'd call me lazy. And then it ended, and I thought, wow, I better think about a job. And I got really worried and emotional about it because, well, I suddenly realised that I didn't want to go from job to job. You know, I wanted a career and regular money and an opportunity to climb up the ladder if possible. So one day I saw a TV programme about nursing, and it looked like it had the kind of benefits I wanted. So here I am.
Speaker 4.
At first, I thought I'd made the wrong choice. I was never really sure that it was the thing for me. And I used to go back to my flat at night and think, well, maybe I should have listened to my parents after all. They thought I'd get too upset and that I should have stuck with something office-based like the rest of my family. But it was my best subject at school. Well, biology was. And all the staff there thought medicine would be a good choice. So, anyway, one day I woke up and felt fine about it. And it's been great ever since.
Now listen again.
Xo'p. Bu yerda o'zi ma'nodan tushunib olish kerak bo'lyapti ko'proq. Bu childhood dream emasligini, demak, ajoyib bo'lmasligini birinchi o'sha deylik belgisi. Bu bola aytyaptiki, men bu haqida ko'p o'yladim. To'g'ri javobmi deb ko'p o'yladim, deyapti. Bu birinchisi bo'ldi. Demak, childhood dream bo'lmagan. Bu haqida ko'p o'ylagan, to'g'ri bo'ladimi, to'g'ri bo'lmaydimi. Keyingisi C javob bo'lmasligi ham do'st haqida gapirmadi, do'stim maslahat berdi demadi. Maktabdagi eng yaxshi fanim bu biologiya edi va u yerdagi ko'pchilik menga shu sohani shu sohada ishlash yaxshi deb aytdi degan ma'noni beryapti. Aynan endi o'sha so'zma-so'z esimda qolmadi. Shunaqa ma'noda gapirayotganligi uchun bu yerda B javob to'g'ri keladi. Teachers recommended it ga ko'proq to'g'ri keladi. Endi ham bu yerda C javobda friend had decided to do it, ya'ni uni qilishni, do'sti qilishni xohladi. Do'sti qilishga qaror qildi deyapti. Do'st haqida umuman gapirmagan. Bu yerda kimdir recommend qilgan bo'lsa, o'sha demak B javob ko'proq to'gri keladi bu yerga. U o'zi aytyapti, maktabda eng yaxshi fanim biologiya edi. Shuning uchun mana shu fanni menga deylik aynan tavsiya qilish demadi. Shunaqa ma'noda gapirib ketdi. Eshitib ko'raylik.
At first, I thought I'd made the wrong choice. I was never really sure that it was the thing for me. And I used
Mana I was never really sure deyapti. Ya'ni har doim ishonchim komil emas edi bu narsa men uchun ekanligiga. Demak, bu childhood dream emasligini shu yerdan bilib olsak bo'ladi. Bu javob chiqib ketadi.
go back to my flat at night and think, well, maybe I should have listened to my parents after all. They thought I'd get too upset and that I should have stuck with something office-based like the rest of my family. But it was my best subject at school. Well,
It was my best subject at school. Maktabdagi eng yaxshi fanim shu edi.
biology was. And all the staff there thought
All the stuff degan joyi bor. Ya'ni hamma yerdagi ishchilar menga meditsinani tavsiya qildi. U yerdagi staff degani o'sha maktabda kim ishlaydi? Maktabda o'qituvchilar ishlaydi. Shuning uchun B javob bo'ladi. Xo'p, keyingisiga o'tsak bo'ladi biz. Xo'p, bu yerda map bor. To'g'rimi? Xo'p, mapga e'tibor berib olishimiz kerak. Demak, 1 2 3 4 5 ta joy: restaurant service, kitchen hands, porters, cleaners, dishwasher, receptionist, interview skills. Demak, bu xo'p. Mana bu college plan, bu kollej ekan. Hop, bu yerda joylar bor. North, west, east, south joylar bor. Biz demak harflarga qo'yib chiqishimiz kerak. Harflarni o'sha 19 dan 23 gacha bo'lgan joylarga qo'yib chiqishimiz kerak. Eshitib ko'ramiz.
Part 4. You will hear someone giving a talk. Label the places 19 to 23 on the map, A to H. There are 3 extra options which you do not need to use. Mark your answers on the answer sheet. You now have some time to look at questions.
Bizga katta ehtimol hall yoki ofisda bo'lsa kerak, balkim square da bo'lishimiz ham mumkin. Demak, bizga aniq belgilanmaganligiga ko'ra bu audioda aytib ketish kerak bular. Biz qayerda ekanligimizni.
Okay, then this afternoon we'll have the workshops. They'll be held in various classrooms around the college. So if you have a look at your college plan, I'll tell you where they're going to be. Now, at the moment, we're in the hall. You'll see it at the bottom of your plan. So if you want to go to the workshop on restaurant service, go out of the hall and turn right. Walk along to the office, and it's the classroom immediately next door to that. For kitchen hands, when you come out of the hall, you'll see the square in front of you. Cross to the other side of the square, and you'll see a block of 2 classrooms. You want the one on the left. Now, porters, cleaners, and dishwashers. You want to find a block of classes on the northern side of the college. There's a long block of classrooms, and you want the one at the eastern end. For the receptionist workshop, turn right out of the hall and go past the office. Then head up north between the 2 sets of classrooms. You'll come to the first in room on your left, and it's the classroom directly opposite that. For those of you who are wanting to brush up on your interview skills, there's an interview skills workshop. You see that on the western side of the square, there's a single large classroom. That's in there. Okay, now let's move on to look at.
Judayam aniq aytib
Now
ketdi.
listen again.
Ba'zi yozishga chalkashib qolgan joylarim bo'ldi. Yozayotganimda bu yoqqa e'tibor berib, o'sha ikkinchi audioni ikkinchi joyini, keyingi joyini eshitishga qiynalib qolgan joylarim bo'ldi. O'sha o'zi miyamiz multitasking qilayotganda qiynaladi. Bunaqa listeninglarni ham qiyin joyi aynan multitaskingda bo'ladi. Mana shu 22 ga ozgina topolmay qoldim aynan qayerda ekanligini, lekin first aid room deganligi uchun mana bu yoqda first aid room bor, o'shani opposite side deganligi uchun i ni topib oldim. O'shaning uchun demak i ni belgilab qo'ydim. O'zi map oson ekan, yaxshi chiroyli aytdi. Bu yerda e'tibor berishimiz kerak bo'lgan joy taxminan ikkitami, ikkita javobda bu yerda kompasdan aytib ketdi. Kompasni ham biz yaxshi tushunib olishimiz kerak. Agar kompas berilgan bo'lsa, kamida bitta javob doim kompasga bog'langan bo'ladi. Northern side deyish mumkin, west side, east side, south side deyish mumkin. O'shanga e'tibor berib, demak, kompasga qarashimiz kerak. Xo'p, biz buni belgiladik. To'xtatmadim. Uzr, menimcha ko'pchilikka tushunarli bo'ldi. Belgilab ketdim iloji boricha. Qayerga borganligini o'sha mishka bilan, sichqoncha bilan. Shuning uchun biz keyingi partga o'tsak ham bo'ladi menimcha. Endi part 5 ga. Bu yerda ekstraktlar ko'pchilikni qiynaydigan, shaxsan o'zim uchun ham qolganlariga nisbatan salgina murakkabroq deb hisoblaganim bu ekstraktlar. Sababi nima? Bu yerda reading skilllari, tez o'qiy olish, o'qiganda ma'noni tez tushunish juda ham muhim. Bu yerda ko'pchilikda bo'ladigan muammo nimada bo'ladi? Ko'pchilik multitasking qilishga harakat qiladi. Ya'ni bularni o'qib ham audioni eshitishga harakat qiladi. Eng katta xato shu yerda deb o'ylayman, shaxsan men. Xo'p, biz nima qilishimiz kerak? Bu partni zo'r ishlash uchun, ya'ni o'sha 6 ta ekstrakt bo'ladigan bo'lsa, 3 ta ekstrakt, 6 ta savol bo'ladigan bo'lsa, o'sha 6 ta savolning hammasiga javob berish uchun bizlarning reading skilllarimiz yaxshi rivojlangan bo'lishi kerak. Xo'p, bu yerdagi narsani o'qib olib, zo'r tushunib, bu yerga emas, aynan audioga e'tibor qaratishimiz kerak. Masalan, hozir biza deylik ekstrakt 1 bo'ladigan bo'lsa, ekstrakt 1 bo'ladigan bo'lsa, savollarni o'sha kontekstni yaxshi tushunib olganimizdan keyin faqat audioga e'tibor qaratib javobni belgilasak, bu osonroq bo'ladi bizga. Xo'p, hozir o'sha buni boshlashdan oldin bitta o'qib chiqamiz. Chunki men ham oldin ishlamaganman bu testni, birinchi marta ishlashim. Shuning uchun bitta o'qib chiqib ishlaymiz birga sizlar bilan. Hop, you will hear a man and a woman talking about someone they knew when they were at school. Ya'ni ular maktab vaqtida bo'lganda ikkalasi ham bilgan bitta odam haqida gaplashyapti. Demak, 24-savol. When did the speakers last spend time with Joan? Joan degan o'sha odam ekan bu. Joan bilan qachon bular vaqt o'tkazdi oxirgi marta? Hop. Keyingisi, how did the woman feel about John when they were at school? Maktabda vaqtida John haqida o'zini qanaqa tasavvuri bor edi bu ayolni? Xo'p. Demak, javoblar. On the day they left school, maktabni tark etgan kunida, birinchisida. Keyingisi last month, o'tgan oy, 10 years ago, 10 yil oldin. 25 da, she liked her very much. Demak, u ayol bu ayolga juda ham yoqardi. B, she didn't think she was sincere, ya'ni bu ochiq samimiy odam emas deb o'ylardi. She was upset by her behavior, ya'ni uning xulq-atvoridan bu xafa edi. Xo'p, demak, mana shu ikkalasini eshitib ko'rib, birinchi ishlaymiz. Keyin biz qanday ishlash kerakligi, nimalarga e'tibor berganligimizga qarab, keyingisiga o'tib ketaveramiz. Demak, part 5 boshladik.
5. You will hear 3 extracts. Choose the correct answer, A, B, or C, for each question, 24 to 29. There are 2 questions for each extract. Mark your answers on the answer sheet. You now have some time to look at questions.
Vaqtim ham qolganlarni ham o'qib chiqa qolaman. Bekor o'tirmaslik uchun. Text message. What is important about coffee stains? Coffee stainlar haqida nima muhim? Makes difference whether coffee is real or instant. Makes difference whether the coffee is sweet or not. difference whether the coffee has milk or not.
Extract 1.
Do you think Joan will come to our class reunion next month?
I don't know. It'd be rather fun to see her again after all these years.
She did come to the last one,
Yes, but that's already 10 years ago.
and we see her so often on the news that at least we know what she looks like these days.
Yes, she's not put on any weight or got grey hair.
You're not jealous, are you? You were such close friends when we were at school.
I know, but I was a bit hurt by the way she never got in touch after she went off to university. I thought we were going to be friends for life, and I've hardly even had a Christmas card from her for 20 years. Anyhow, you were friendly with her. Don't you feel the same?
Oh, qiziqarli bo'ldi-ku. Hop, birinchisi, demak, when did the speakers last spend time with Joan? Ha, bu yerda speakers last spend time, u bilan vaqt sarflagan degan ekan, aynan ko'rishgan emas. Bu yerda e'tibor bersak, A javob to'g'ri kelmaydi. B javob last month degan javob bor. Men buni belgilab qo'ydim, lekin savolga yaxshi e'tibor bermaganligim uchun men televizorda biz uni doim ko'ramiz. U unaqa hech qanaqa weight olmagan, vazn olmagan dedi ayol kishi. Erkak kishi sen bundan jealousmisan, hasad qilyapsanmi dedi. Demak men o'yladimki, bular last month yaqin orada ko'rgan. Shuning uchun B javob to'g'ri keladi deb o'yladim. Bu yoqni meet deb o'ylagan edim. Yo'q, lekin last spend time deganligi uchun bu yerda qachon vaqt sarflagan? C javob to'g'ri kelar ekan bu yerga. Xo'p, nima uchun C javob? Sababi ular aytdiki, biza o'tgan safargi klass yunionimizga, yig'ilishimizga u kelgan edi deb aytib ketishdi. Demak, o'tgan safargi yunionga kelgan ekan, lekin o'tgan safargi yunion already 10 years ago deb aytib ketdi bu ayol kishi. Demak, bular oxirgi marta u bilan vaqtni 10 yil oldin sarflagan ekan. O'shaning uchun C javob to'g'ri keladi. Hop, 25 ni ham aytib ketdi. Woman ayol kishi Joanni fe'l-atvori haqida, o'sha bu ayol haqida qanday his qilyapti? Ular at schoolda bo'lganda, maktabda bo'lganda. Agar hozir bo'lganda, ya'ni hozir deganda, bu yerda C javob to'g'ri kelardi. Chunki u upset bo'ldi. Sababi u universitetga borgandan keyin umuman aloqani uzib tashladi. Umuman men bilan aloqa qilmay qo'ydi, gaplashmay qo'ydi dedi. Shuning uchun C javob bo'lardi. Agar hozir bo'lganda, lekin bu yerda they were at school degan savol bo'lganligi uchun A javob to'g'ri keladi. A javob to'g'ri keladi. Judayam yaxshi ko'rardim, judayam yaqin do'stim edi u deb aytayapti. Biz u bilan o'sha butun umrga do'st bo'lib qolamiz deb o'ylagan edim, lekin o'sha universitetga borgandan keyin butunlay men bilan aloqani uzdi degan javobni aytayapti. O'shaning uchun demak 25 ga A javob to'g'ri keladi. Keyingisi
Anyhow,
o'tamiz.
you were friendly with her. Don't you feel the same?
Well, we used to hang out in the same crowd, but I wouldn't say we were friends. I never really trusted her somehow. She never seemed totally sincere to me.
Ha, bu yerda totally sincere degan javob ham aytilyapti, lekin buni kim aytyapti? Erkak kishi aytyapti bizga. Erkak kishi aytganligi uchun, bu yerda ayol deb so'raganligi uchun C javob, uzr, B va C javoblar to'g'ri kelmaydi, A javob to'gri keladi. Shuning uchun demak, uchta variantni ham aytilayotganligi uchun bizda savol juda ham muhim. Savolda nima deyotganligi juda ham muhim. Hop, extract 2 ga o'tsak bo'ladi.
She
Takrorlasin.
never seemed totally sincere to me.
Now, listen again.
Do you think Joan will come to our class reunion next month?
I don't know. It'd be rather fun to see her again after all these years.
She did come to the last one,
Yes, that's already 10 years ago.
and we see her so often on the news that at least we know what she looks like these days.
Yes, she's not put on any weight or got grey hair.
You're not jealous, are you? You were such close friends when we were at school.
I know, but I was a bit hurt by the way she never got in touch after she went off to university. I thought we were going to be friends for life, and I've hardly even had a Christmas card from her for 20 years. Anyhow, you were friendly with her. Don't you feel the same?
Well, we used to hang out in the same crowd, but I wouldn't say we were friends. I never really trusted her somehow. She never seemed totally sincere to me.
Extract 2.
Now, our speaker today is an expert on cleaning. Many of you will remember Karen Peters from her extremely popular series on television 3 years ago. She's now over from the States again, this time as a visiting lecturer at Bar Hill University. And she's here today to deal with some of the questions that listeners have posted on our website for her. We're very high tech today. We can take further questions or comments during the program, either on our website or by texting or faxing us. So, Karen, over to you.
Thank you. Well, I've had lots of interesting questions on all sorts of things, from how to clean a waterbed to making your oven spotless, from getting rid of rust to polishing windows. But I wanted to start today actually not with one of your questions, but with a problem that's just come up in the studio. The delightful presenter who has just introduced me with such kind words has just spilled his cup of coffee on his beautiful cream shirt. But it's lucky that he didn't have any milk in it, because that makes the stain much easier to remove. Probably all we'll need to do is to add some cool water and then blot it up as quickly as possible. Do this again several times, adding more cold water if necessary.
Now, listen again.
Now, our speaker today is an expert on cleaning. Many of you will remember Karen Peters from her extremely popular series on television 3 years ago. She's now over from the States again, this time.
Hop. To'g'risi bir 26 ni eshitmay qoldim, chalib qoldim men. O'sha o'qiyotgan edim. Chalib qoldim. Aynan nima orqali submit qilgan bular degan narsani eshitmay qoldim, lekin ikkinchisini eshitdim. Bular aytyaptiki, biz o'sha ko'rsatuv davomida ham o'sha listenerlardan ularni qabul qilamiz, savollarni qabul qilamiz deyapti. Bular through internet bo'lishi mumkin yoki by text message bo'lishi mumkin dedi. Men shuning uchun o'yladimki, bejavob balkimdir, lekin eshitmay qoldim. Buni hozir mana ikkinchi martada eshitaman endi. Hozir e'tibor beraman. Qayerda javob aytib ketayotganligini men endi tushundim. Shuning uchun endi 26 ga e'tibor beraman. Mana shu o'tkazib yuborgan joyimiz bo'ladigan bo'lsa, keyingi safar audioni qayerga diqqat qaratishimiz kerakligi aniq bo'lib qoladi. Shunga e'tibor berib topsak bo'ladi buni ham. 26 ni eshitib ko'ramiz hozir.
Popular series on television 3 years ago. She's now over from the States again, this time as a visiting lecturer at Bar Hill University. And she's here today to deal with some of the questions that listeners have posted on our website for her.
Listeners have posted on our website degan. Men o'sha postni belgilab qo'ygan edim. Sababi men bu ikkalasini during the interview, during the conversation deb aytganligi uchun, ya'ni o'sha suhbat davomida bo'ladi deganligi uchun men bejavob belgilab qo'ygan edim. Bu to'g'ri ekan. Xo'p, ikkinchisida e'tibor bergan bo'lsanglar, o'sha coffee stain agar buni ichida sut bo'lganda juda tez toza bo'lar edi deb aytib ketdi. Bu yerda sut yo'q ekan deb aytib ketdi. Shuning uchun mana bu yerdagi real instant sweet or not degan narsalarga e'tibor bermadik. U yerda faqat milk deb aytganligi uchun o'sha C javob to'g'ri kelishini belgilasak bo'lardi bu yerda. Yana bir marta eshitib ko'ramiz.
We're very high tech today. We can take further questions or comments during the program, either on our website or by texting or faxing us. So, Karen, over to you.
Thank you. Well, I've had lots of interesting questions on all sorts of things, from how to clean a waterbed to making your oven spotless, from getting rid of rust to polishing windows. But I wanted to start today actually not with one of your questions, but with a problem that's just come up in the studio. The delightful presenter who has just introduced me with such kind words has just spilled his cup of coffee on his beautiful cream shirt. But it's lucky that he didn't have any milk in it, because that makes the stain much easier to remove. Probably all we'll need to...
Ya'ni uning ichida sut bo'lmaganligi uchun o'sha steinni tozalash juda ham oson bo'ladi deb ketyapti. Demak, milk bo'lganligi yoki bo'lmaganligi katta difference qilishni shu yerdan bilsak bo'ladi. Javob C bo'lar ekan. Hop, keyingiga o'tamiz. Extract 3.
Much easier to remove. Probably all we'll need to do is to add some cool water and then blot it up as quickly as possible. Do this again several times, adding more cold water if necessary.
Extract 3.
So, how's things been at work this last week?
Pretty horrible, actually.
Everyone's been feeling a bit upset about the changes that the new boss is planning to make.
So what's he actually done?
Nothing as yet, apart from holding a few meetings telling us what to expect and what his old firm used to do.
So what exactly has he got in mind?
He says we don't do things efficiently enough.
Well, you've been saying that for years too.
Yes, but he thinks the best way to deal with things is to get rid of some staff and make the rest work longer hours.
He can't do that, surely.
Oh, I'm afraid he can. The union's already had our contract checked out.
Now, listen again.
So, how's things been at work this last week?
Pretty horrible, actually. Everyone's been feeling a bit upset about the changes that the new boss is planning to make.
So what's he actually done?
Nothing as yet, apart from holding a few meetings telling us what to expect and what his old firm used to do.
So what exactly has he got in mind?
He says we don't do things efficiently enough.
Well, you've been saying that for years too.
Yes, but he thinks the best way to deal with things is to get rid of some staff and make the rest work longer hours.
He can't do that, surely.
Oh, I'm afraid he can. The union's already had our contract checked out.
Xo'p, bizda hozir nima muammo bo'ldi? Уже mana ekstraktlarning orasida to'xtamaydi bular, vaqt bermaydi bizga. Mana shu 3-chi ekstraktni o'qiy olmadik. Biz tepadagilarni ishlab kelgan edikda, buni o'qiy olmadik. Mana shu uchun demak birdan savollarni o'qib, variantlarni ko'rib chiqqancha уже birinchi marta aytishni boshladi bular. Mana shunaqa holatda qiynalib qolish mumkin. Lekin shunda ham belgilagan edik biz unhappy deb, chunki bu yerda hamma unhappy edi. Ko'pchilik unhappy bo'ldi deb aytib ketgan. Ya'ni xursand emasligini, excited emas, not sure yet ligi ham уже bularni aytmadi. Unhappy deb aytib ketdi. Hech kim xursand emas deb. Nima o'zgarish qildi deb yigit kishi so'raganida, hali hech narsa qilgan emas, lekin miting qilib, biza yaxshi ishlamayotganligimizni aytdi. Efficiently, samarali ishlamayotganligimizni aytdi deb ketdi ayol kishi. Endi ikkinchi variant o'zi shu yerdan boshlandi. 29, ikkinchi variant emas, 29-savol shu yerdan boshlandi o'zi. Women feel about the need for change. Ya'ni mana shu change haqida bu ayolning fikri qanaqa edi? Endi erkak aytdiki, sen o'zi mana shunaqa o'zgarish qilishlaring kerakligi haqida uzoq vaqtdan beri gapirib kelayotgan eding-ku deb, demak ayolga aytdi. To'g'ri, lekin bu to'g'ri usul emas deb o'ylayman men dedi. To'g'ri usul emas deganligi bu yerda demak B bilan C javoblarda berilmagan. Does not feel that any changes are necessary degan B javob to'g'ri kelmaydi, chunki bu o'zi aytib kelayotgan edi change kerak bizga deb. O'shaning uchun B javob bo'lmaydi. Does not think that this is a right time, ya'ni to'g'ri vaqt to'g'ri vaqt emas degan variant bu yerda Cda, lekin bu yerda vaqt haqida ham gapirilmadi-da. Faqat bu o'sha change kerakligiga agree bo'lgan. Lekin u уже yangi boss xohlayotgan usuldagi o'zgarish emas. Shuning uchun bu salgina xafa bo'lyapti, lekin shuning uchun bu qo'shilganligi uchun, bu fikrga agree bo'lganligi uchun A javob to'g'ri keladi bizga. Xo'p, keyingisi demak part 6, bags for walkers. Yuruvchilar uchun sumkalar. Bu o'zi salgina tezroq aytadi. Hozir shu yerdan qo'yib, biz ikkinchisiga o'tgancha o'qib chiqishga harakat qilamiz. Hop, o'zi har doim, deyarli har doim bir xil talab bo'ladi, one word bo'ladi. Hozir ham qo'yib o'raylik biz. Buni ham o'qib chiqish juda ham muhim, chunki o'sha qayerda kelib qolgan audio nima bo'lyapti audioda va biza o'sha tekstni qaysi joydamiz audio aytilayotgan vaqtida buni topib olish uchun buni o'qib chiqish juda ham muhim. Ketdik, balkim shuni 2 marta eshitarmiz.
6. You will hear a part of a lecture. For each question, fill in the missing information in the numbered space. Write no more than one word for each answer. Mark your answers on the answer sheet. You now have some time to look at questions.
yana ikkita nimasidir bor. Inside will allow you to separate your belongings. External pockets can be used to carry tools that are dirty. Kir yoki qanaqadir shu kirga aloqador so'z bo'lishi kerak sifat. Keyingisi horizontal bar will prevent shoulder straps from off.
And now for a few tips for those of you who are going to go walking this summer. Let's look first of all at the type of bag that you should take with you. Rod Smith works in a shop that sells camping equipment and feels he has a bag for every type of walking holiday. Rod, does it really make a difference what type of bag you use?
Yes, Jill, it certainly does. Bags come in every shape, colour and size now, so it makes sense to pick one that is right for your needs. A backpack, for example, could quite rapidly ruin an otherwise good walking holiday if it doesn't fit your bag. In fact, the fit is critical, but the choice is so large now that it's difficult to know how to make the right one. So here are a few things to look for. First of all, size. A bag that holds 35 litres and has 3 outside pockets should be plenty big enough for a day trip. For a 4 to 5 day walking tour, I would recommend a bag that holds 70 litres for a man and 50 to 60 litres for a woman. That's along with a tent and a sleeping bag. An upright bag, that's one that closes at the top, is better if you intend to climb a lot of hills. What about the contents? Well, in order to really avoid the inconvenience of broken containers or crushed clothes, I suggest you go for a bag with a solid bottom. The best ones, but these are probably the most expensive, have a leather base that's particularly resistant to wear and tear. A bag that has 2 compartments inside will allow you to find things more easily and separate out items such as creams that could leak in hot weather. Extra pockets on the outside of the bag are also useful if you want to carry any tools for climbing that are sharp or get dirty when you use them. Then you have to think about carrying your bag. If it's a backpack, a wide cushioned belt will ease the strain on your back and hips and leave you with more energy for your walking activities. Shoulder straps also help lighten the load, and these should be easy to adjust. There are many different types of strap on the market that can be adjusted in various different ways. Try several and compare them. It's also a good idea to make sure there's a horizontal bar that goes across your shoulders and stops the straps from falling off. Well, if you choose your bag...
Xo'p, bir marta yozib ketsa bo'lar ekan. Where the following compartments sharp dedi. Ya'ni o'tkir yoki kir bo'lsa, o'sha external joyda qo'yamiz dedi. Keyingisi compartment bu qism, bo'lak degani, ikki qismga ajralgan bo'lsa degan ma'noni beryapti. Xo'p, one day trip. Xo'p, keyingisi camping equipment deb ketdi. Menimcha buni qaytarib qaytarib eshitish shart emas. Tushunarli bo'ldi. Bu yerda bizda o'quvchilarda nima muammo bo'ldi? Tezroq aytganda yozish muammo bo'ldi. Buni yaxshi tushunib olib, bu aytganimdek audioga ko'proq e'tibor berish kerak edi, yozsa bo'lar edi. Keyin boya bitta narsa bo'lgan edi. Bu yerda 32 da hills degan javob. Who are going to climb up degan so'z ham bor edi. Climb up degan so'z ham bor edi. Buni biz boya javoblarda ko'rgan edik, climb up degan so'z bor edi. Mana shu aynan esimda qolgani, savol bo'lgan edi, climb up yoki hills. Ustoz, hills dedi deb aytilganda ko'pchilik climb upni olgan edik biz, lekin bu yerda hills ham to'g'ri kelar ekan. Chunki who are going to climb up hills deganligi uchun agar bizga hills berilganda climb up qo'yishimiz kerak edi. Ham bu yerda one word degan talab bo'lgan. To'g'ri, mana bu climb up ikkalasi phrasal verb bo'lib bitta so'z bo'ladi. Lekin bu yerda hills qo'yganlarni ham xato javob belgilagan deb ayta olmaymiz biz. Who are going to degani kimki borayotgan degani. Demak, to be going to bilan present continuousni biz ikkalasini ham kelajak uchun ishlata olganligimiz sababli going to hills degan javob ham aslida to'g'ri bo'ladi. Demak, bu yerda hills va climb up deb yozganlarniki to'g'ri bo'ladi. Xo'p, buguncha shu. Hammaga rahmat. Kimdadir qanaqadir savollar bo'ladigan bo'lsa, tushunmagan joylar bo'lsa, bemalol kommentlarda yozib qoldirishinglar mumkin. Ko'rib chiqamiz.